What is USSD? People in tech have a reputation for looking for high-tech ways to solve even the most basic problems. But sometimes, there's beauty in simplicity. And USSD technology is as simple as they come. USSD stands for Unstructured Supplementary Service Data. It's a mobile technology that's more than 20 years old, but is still being used on the most sophisticated phones today. If you take your mobile phone and press the asterisk key, followed by any combination of numbers, then you end it with the hash key. What you've generated is called an MMI code. MMI stands for Man-Machine Interface, which essentially means that you're having a two-way conversation with your phone, a machine. USSD is a type of MMI code. What differentiates USSD from the others is that if you press send after you've pressed the hash key, the instruction is sent straight to your mobile network operator to execute. Now, if that USSD code is assigned to a particular service on your operator's network, you'll either be granted direct access to the service or to a simple menu. From there, you can either use services provided by your operator such as balance checks, please call me, and top-ups, or services from third-party providers who work with your operator to reserve codes of their own. The applications for USSD technology are nearly limitless. That's the beauty of it. For instance, a bank can use USSD short codes to allow its customers to make transfers on their mobile phones. A utility company can allow its users use USSD short codes to settle their bills, and so on. Generally speaking, the user is either billed a nominal fee for usage or the service is reverse billed, where the provider carries the cost instead and usage is free for the user. One other reason why USSD is so effective is that it's one mobile app that you don't need an internet plan or a smartphone to be able to use. All users need is access to a 2G network and a feature phone. That's why USSD remains popular in the developing, underpenetrated parts of the world. Take Africa, for instance, where 3G is only predicted to overtake 2G as the dominant mobile connection in 2020. And where 6 out of 10 mobile phones are feature phones. USSD has been instrumental in bridging the gap between underserved mobile users and mobile app services. A key example of this is the way that access to mobile financial services through USSD has played a significant role in increasing financial inclusion. But the technology isn't without its issues. In some instances, service reliability might be lower than web-based apps. Also, since messages are communicated as plain text files, there's the potential of security issues. Speaking of security, if a user's phone goes missing or gets stolen, a bad actor may have access to that user's account and have a field day. That said, there are solutions. Service reliability may be improved by tightening the back-end architecture. End-to-end encryption reduces the chances of USSD sessions getting hacked, while enabling multi-factor authentication makes it harder for anyone other than the owner of the phone to access USSD services. So while USSD has its issues, they aren't insurmountable. That's the reason why it's one of the most popular mobile applications used in Africa today. If you're developing a mobile service that solves a particular problem on the continent, not creating a USSD-based option will certainly limit its impact.